Hello and welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm preparing one of Ghanaian's favorite soup, and this soup is from my tribe, the Ashanti tribe, and we love this soup very much because it's very tasty, very healthy, and you will love it at the end of this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started with this delicious soup from the Ashanti tribe. Alright, so to begin with, I'm going to need my fresh cocoyam leaves or taro leaves. You can also use spinach leaves for this recipe as well. And to that, I'm going to add in my turkey berries. Yes, I'm using a lot of greens in this recipe because it is basically green soup mixed with some peanut butter, okay? And I'm also going to add in some red pepper and some green pepper, but for the green pepper, it's not that hot. It's just going to give it extra flavor. That's why I'm using a lot of pepper, so please don't come after me. But anyways, I love pepper, so the pepper is always to your taste, okay? I added in some water and I'm going to cook this until it is nice or soft enough to blend. So whilst that is going on, I'm going to start with the base of the soup as well, and I'm going to need some fresh snails, and I'm also going to add in some salted pork and salted beef. I also have some blue and red crabs as well. You can use any protein of your choice in this soup recipe, okay? Add some chopped onions to give the meat extra flavor, some tomato paste. You can also use fresh tomatoes for this recipe as well. I want the color of the soup to look nice. That's why I always use tomato paste in my soup recipes, okay? So that I'm going to add in some seasoning and a salt to taste. The seasoning and the salt is always to your taste. Add some water to wait and cover it to steam until the meat is nice and juicy, okay? So we are back to check on our vegetables and it's looking all perfect right now. The turkey berries is a little bit hard, so make sure to cook it very well to make the blending process very easy. But before I blend my vegetables, I will add in this granite paste to the vegetables and blend alongside with it. Alright, so now I've been steaming the base of the soup for about 5 minutes now, and it's looking all juicy, but the stock on the meat is a little bit light, so I'll cover it again and let it steam for extra 5 to 10 more minutes. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't liked this video yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do like this video for me, and please do subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. So after blending the vegetables, this is how it's going to look like. I am just loving the color right now. So I added in a little bit of water to dilute it a little bit because I want it to be a little bit light. If you want your soup to be very thick, then no need for you to add in extra water, okay? And so now I'll go in with the rest of the protein, which is the mushrooms. I'm also going to use some Kako to make the soup smells really good. I don't know the English name for that. If you know, just drop it in the comment section and let me know, okay? So I'll go in with some dry fish as well. And at this point, my pot was full full of protein, but here we move. I'm going to stir this gently and allow this soup to cook until it is nice and ready. And as usual, you know me, I'm a fufu gang, so I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu. So now as we wait for the soup to get ready, let's mold our fufu to our preferred size, and look how smooth and soft this fufu looks. And the soup is also looking already right now. I just wish you guys are here to just smell the sweet aroma from this soup. Is something else, guys. So now let's serve our fufu and enjoy ourselves. Traditionally, this soup is called Nkonto in my local language. It's so delicious and very easy to make. So I hope you're going to try this recipe and leave a comment in the comment section after you're done trying it, and let me know how yours went as well. And if you are still watching this video at this point and you haven't turned on the post notification bell, baby, what are you waiting for? kindly do turn it on, and please do subscribe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you for watching.